Kids Shows Club.
Apocalypse on overdrive. Zombie animals survive in a pet shop at a mall. 'Cause nowhere else is safe at all. Hildie is a biggest heart, brain bites, make them smart. Chien and Ramona out there are a threat to the pet shop zombies.
Birds of a feather. Everything's coming up, hundos, pets. What gives, feather?
I have not heard such squawking since I caught the foul fox in the chicken coop.
Wait, what? You don't speak their language?
For shame, see? South America is a land of dialects. Parotish, Budgiegese, and most challenging of all, cockatielian, which I regretfully regret I never mastered.
If the cockatoos can't communicate with us, how will we all get along? Molting season. How'd I miss that?
What is this spice of molt?
Season, not seasoning, Big A. Birds shed winter feathers to grow lighter ones in the sunny spring.
Molting sounds not so exciting. We should call it the season of caliente.
Well, sun's out. Why is it so dark in here? Ugh. Not good. Who could have jammed it?
Foul cat, what does the dog of Flap gain for us?
Our plan's working perfectly! We forced the bulging budgies out in the sun and...
The duff feathers are the ultimate camouflage. By the way, Ramona, they're cockatoos.
Potato!
These cockatoos don't molt soon, then we're all in big trouble. Buzz, help me fix the skylight. Peter, Alvaro, guard the cockatoos outside while they molt.
Don't worry, Feather. You'll be svelte and plucked in no time.
Farrell's in a phone booth. Buzz, think someone cut these lines?
Well, they don't look frayed from wear and tear. I smell a rat.
Metaphorically, right? 'Cause there are lots of nice rats in the store.
This way, my full-feathered friends.
My scheme is working so nice. But why are the feathers not dropping?
Your scheme? Well, maybe we need to speed Mother Nature along.
That was more of the fun than it should have been.
Time to ruffle some feathers. Wait, the devil's in the details.
I will detail you like the car of luxury. Now, allez!
A foul wind blows. My feathered friends, we must seek shelter.
Looking good, Feather. Oh, cotton candy, these twos are even fluffier than before. Out they go.
Uh-oh! There's a storm coming!
Meow.
Oof!
Let's squawk! Let's squawk!
They're so clogged with feathers, they're delirious. Buzz, we need indoor molting tech. Stat.
Go, Operation Light as a Feather!
Time to bake and bake, my friend.
It says level 5. That's too low. Let's crank this baby to 11.
Oh no, that's a flaming fail. Right, he's not cutting it. Full steam ahead, Buzz.
The steam of doom!
My sweat's sweating!
Oh, so much like the soothing steam of my rainforest home.
Did I call it or what? Metaphorical rat? I smell a literal dog and cat. Let's flush out these imposters.
On it, Hildie.
Feathers will hold. Don't lose your nerves, Chef.
My nerve! Like the plan! It's shattered!
Let's shed some light on this. Whoopsie! Guess that's a wrap.
You managed to pluck defeat from the jaws of the victory.
I'll pluck you clean, you motoring monobrow!
Squawk.
Squawk!
Wow, cockatielian is hard.
Well, if you want to talk the talk, you better squawk the squawk.
Quack!
Sorry, ma'am. We mean squawk, squawk.
Finding Busby.
Howdy, gang! Wanna learn how to make brain bites even more delicious?
See.
Oh, yeah. What channel's this?
How about raisin brain cereal, ginger dead cookies, or even bread?
You lost the theme, Hildie.
It's a frontal loaf! Get it? Oh!
Let me help ya.
No need, my fiend friend. I'll flamenco fan this piping pastry to perfection. Hey.
Our first ingredient for brain bread is... lid sure is tight!
On it, boss. Will this be useful? Don't worry about it, Buzz.
Thanks, Dieter. Next, we need to whip up a bunch of eggs.
Eggs? Check out my new egg beater. Ow, ow, ow. Ooh, yeah. Oops. Kinda overclocked it. Sheesh. I'm about as useless as seatbelts at Lethal Land.
What? No, Buzz! But just chill and enjoy class while Alvaro jams.
It would be an honor and...
Oops. Sorry, Alvaro. Forgot that I modified your guitar, too.
Alas, we must forget brunch, as you have forgotten your modification.
No. I can fix this. Let me be useful. I'll just slip out and get more ingredients.
Oh, I don't know. What if you run into Chien and Ramona? Will you even remember they're the bad guys?
Don't worry. I have a system. The good guys. That's us. See you later.
The season of fish, it come early.
And this time, Busby won't be the one that gets away.
And now the worm of early gets the... let's just go.
There you are. Whoa! Who are you guys?
Why, we're your friends.
You don't look familiar. Wait, I've got something for this. The Goo Guys. That you? Who are the Goo Guys?
That's us. We're, your rock band, the Goo Guys. We're world famous.
Seems like something I might remember. Do we have songs?
Of course. Like, this one.
Brain fight!
Give us
Feel
fight!
right!
Two, fight! And fight!
Wow, that's fantastic!
Well, you wrote it. You're our heart and soul, Busby. We need you.
You need me?
Yeah, to help us steal the brain bite. Yeah!
What he means is, Steel Brain Bites is our metal album. You were just about to let us in the pet shop arena for our gig.
Shouldn't it be swarming with fans?
Well, here they come now.
Hey, wait! I remember everything! We gotta get to our gig! Come on! Hello, Pet
Why bother do we?
Buzz, we were so worried. Wait, what are you doing with them?
Yeah, dude. Like, I think we're the band.
How could you join the deadbeat duo, Buzz? They're terrible.
Don't listen to them. This is the, opening act. They're just jealous of the Goo Guys.
Goo Guys? Why is that so familiar?
You're no goo guy. You're a good guy.
Right, there it is.
But we weren't very good guys to you before. Sorry if we made you feel useless, Buzz. Friends again?
Busby, remember your fans.
Don't do it, my friend. He's lying.
Why should I believe you?
Well, I have a guitar.
Enough, fool cat. I knew it was stupid to trust this useless fish.
Hey, I'm not useless. Here,
Buzzy, no!
This soul has been sold
for the rock and roll. Ha! 1, 2, 3.
Good night, Pet Shop! There will be no encore! Forgot to tell you I built you an amp, but I'd never forget who the good guys are. Well, at least not for very long.
Oh, Buzz. Bring it in, gang.
Hey, Ramona! As they say, better to burn up than fade from view.
It's burn out, you hair metal halfwit! Like this!
Zombies versus aliens!
La la la. La la la.
Yo, what's with the surprise attack?
Why, did I just do one? I do run preparedness drills for a real attack. Sorry.
Oh!
Thanks for the doomsday prepping, Buzz, but you can't plan for everything, you know. Sometimes you gotta roll with the punches. Make lemonade! Improvise! See?
Alert! Unidentified flying object! Alien spacecraft landed.
First contact.
I knew it! Opportunistic aliens taking advantage of an apocalypse to conquer us!
I don't hear this from your meow maker ever.
They'll take this planet over my cold, undead body. Call the pharaohs! We must defend the mall!
They say the best way of defend is to offend.
Agreed, mangy mongrel. You go first. Huh.
No, they've clearly come in peace. I mean, come on! How could aliens this cute not want peace?
See?
Oh, she's right.
You can't freeze it with aliens because they're alien! Attack first, questions later. Huh. Show no mercy!
Show all the kindness!
No mercy!
Kindness!
Creatures of Earth, change your warring ways or be destroyed!
We can change. Just watch us. Come on, let's dig deep. Make the sacrifice, or we won't have a world to make better here, people.
For the good of all pet zombiedom, I will dismantle all my traps and defenses!
Oh, good one, Buzz.
We're good.
Fatuous cat, you allowed them to win at the game of sacrifice?
No one out-sacrifices the sacrifice queen! Giddy up!
Insufficient! Insufficient!
I give up my love, my life, my guitar.
No, not that.
Yes, that.
My
Precious. Here, let me help.
I give up. Gazing at this handsome devil.
I shall give up control of all the pharaohs to that hamster.
Goodbye, happiness index. Aliens, you challenged us to change, to become better creatures of Earth. Each of us gave up something precious for the good of all of us. So we ask you, please don't destroy us.
Failure will not be tolerated! Annihilate! Annihilate!
No! I'm too young to not die again.
Subdue! Neutralize! Eliminate!
Oh, Buzz, you tried so hard to prepare us for everything, but who could have saw this coming? Don't beat yourself up. At least we're all together. Buzz?
Eliminate wrinkles and signs of aging! Fixed it! The alien invasion drill is over. Funny thing about this particular doomsday, I totally forgot. I set it up. But you all passed. Yay!
Okay, so not an actual doomsday, but, teachable moment. We can live in peace and harmony, even share brain bites. What do you think?
We could, but, leopard, spots. Sheh, the store's defenseless. Let's seize the brain bite. Let's go!
Good thing I forgot to deactivate this trap. Is that making lemonade?
The next time the aliens come in peace, I say we blast them.
I'll blast you to pieces, you gaseous giant!
Raiders of the Claw Machine!
Good news, fellow pets. The happiness index is at an all-time high. And you know what that means.
Party time!
And there ain't no party like a pottery party, because the pottery clay's so soft.
Bah! Such genteel pursuit blunt, such a colossal achievement.
Well, what's your suggestion?
Lethal
Land!
This calls for the pulse-pounding delights of Lethal Land, voted by survivors as the most unforgivably unsafe amusement park in the world.
Warning! No seatbelts, no helmets, no survivors! Enjoy your day!
Oh, only a fool with a death wish could enjoy these diabolical death traps.
That's me! Me!
We meet again, Tom the Tool Terror. Whoa!
Whee!
Buffy, are you sure you upgraded security in the park?
Sure, I'm sure, Hildie. Just relax and enjoy yourself.
But how? I can't stop worrying. Even Chien and Ramona are too scared to come to Lethal Land. What if the park is overrun with ferals? Oops.
Whoa! Sip and smash bumper cups!
Beware the tea! It burns like the chorizo!
Perimeter motion sensors?
Check.
Non-lethal spray string snares?
Check.
Whoa! Did you hear something? Anti-feral bug zappers. Spring-loaded ping-pong players.
Check. And also check.
Okay, slingshot escape launchers. Butt-kicking rocket roller skate.
Yes!
I can't shake this sense of impending doom. Seriously, Buzz, did you set up the defenses exactly the way I asked you to?
Look, I've thought of everything, just not the way you asked, okay?
Tasty, brainy good!
Trust me, we're safe. You can relax.
Is this a trap?
No, dear Hildie, just broken, I believe.
This is exactly what I mean. You're too easily distracted, Buzzbee. Buzz, where are you? Okay, team. Let's get him out. I think he's pointing to these. I just turned off all of Buzzbee's defenses, didn't I? Oh.
Lethal Land, your reputation exceeds you.
You're your own #1 fan?
I think he wants us to get in the claw machine with him.
Why not? We should all be together at the end.
There are worse places to end it. Caught on a mini-putt windmill? Dinner at Chien and Ramona's?
Yep, except for the claw!
And so we end our days as Lethal Land prizes. Get away! Get away!
Now, where'd I put that again?
Why are you so calm?
I told you to trust me. Let's go!
Okay, but first, everyone grab a prize. We've earned it.
See? Had us covered.
I'm sorry for shutting off the park's defenses and almost getting us torn apart by ferals. I should have trusted you, Buzz.
No more Lethal Land day off.
Don't be so sure. I told you, I thought of everything. Oops, that's the popcorn popper. Vacuum. Not that. This is it.
See? Genteel pursuits can celebrate colossal achievement.
It's gonna be epic!
Kids Shows Club.